Hi, it's Amy Harrison from Harrison Amy Copywriting, and I just wanted to do a very quick video this week for the blog. All about thinking about where your customers are coming from when they read your sales letter. I'm seeing with a lot of clients that I work with that the sales letter is crafted in a different style or a different tone to what their audience is normally used to. And this is really common because we think of sales letters as having a particular format, and they've got to be pushy and they've got to be salesy. And what we tend to do is we start writing in a voice which isn't our own. What happens then, though, is that if you are putting an offer out to your newsletter group or to forums or membership groups online where they're used to hearing you talk or type in a different way, where they're used to hearing you a bit more personable, a bit more casual, a bit more friendly, suddenly getting that sales letter is incongruent with how they're used to interacting with you. So it feels, something's not quite right. And so what I want you to think about is, when you are writing a sales letter, to think about where your customers are coming from and to think about how you want them to view not just your product and the benefits of their product, but also how you want them to view you and your personality. Do you need to be salesy? Do you need to be that strong and that formal? Because you can still be very persuasive and write very compelling copy in your own voice. So are they coming from your newsletter? Are they people who know you well and they know your content? Because if so, maybe they don't need as much reassuring about who you are and your credibility and your background. If it's a new audience though, or if it's someone else's audience that you're in front of for the first time, they might need to know a bit more about you. They might need to know a bit more about the product and about the benefits of the product. So bear this in mind. Think about this when you're writing sales copy. And then see how that can tailor your message. So that's all I've got for you today. Just a very quick one that I wanted to get out there because it's something that I'm seeing a lot with clients at the moment, and I'm helping them with that. So thank you for watching, and have a lovely weekend if it is the weekend, or if you're watching this on YouTube, just have a lovely day. Thank you very much. See you later.